Welcome to this tutorial on how to correctly watch Multiview on YouTube TV. Multiview is a feature that allows you to watch up to 4 different programs or games at the same time. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube TV app installed on your device. First, open the YouTube TV app and navigate to the Live tab. From here, you can browse through the available channels and select the programs you want to watch. To enable Multiview, click on the Multiview icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have enabled Multiview, you can start adding programs to your Multiview screen. You can do this by clicking on the Add to Multiview button next to each program title. You can add up to 4 programs at a time, and you can rearrange them on the screen to suit your preferences. To switch between programs, simply click on the program you want to watch, and it will become the main focus on the screen. You can also use the audio controls to switch the audio to the program you want to listen to. One of the key benefits of Multiview is that it allows you to keep an eye on multiple games or programs at the same time. For example, if you are a sports fan, you can watch multiple games at the same time and switch between them easily. To make the most out of Multiview, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a device that can handle multiple streams at the same time. It is also a good idea to customize your Multiview layout to suit your preferences, so you can quickly switch between programs and focus on the ones that are most important to you. In conclusion, watching Multiview on YouTube TV is a great way to stay on top of multiple programs or games at the same time. By following these steps, you can easily enable Multiview, add programs to your screen, and switch between them with ease. With its customizable layout and audio controls, Multiview is a powerful tool that can enhance your viewing experience and make it more enjoyable.